In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create salary charts in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening your Excel workbook. Once you're inside the file, make sure your sample data is already prepared. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through E6. Having your information arranged clearly before creating a chart is important because Excel uses that structure to build accurate visuals. Next, we need to calculate the gross salary. Click on cell E2, then type an equal sign, followed by C2, then a plus sign, and then D2. After that, press enter. This formula adds the values from those two cells together, giving you the gross salary for the first row of data. Once the formula is working in E2, copy it down through E6. To do that, select cell E2, then drag the fill handle downward until you reach E6. Excel will automatically apply the same formula pattern to the remaining rows. This saves time and helps keep your calculations consistent across all employees. Now that the gross salary values are ready, we can create the salary chart. Select the range that contains the employee names and the range that contains the gross salary values. In this example, that means selecting A1 through A6 and E1 through E6. This tells Excel which labels to use and which numbers to plot on the chart. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click Insert Column or Bar Chart, then choose Clustered Column. Excel will immediately generate a chart that displays the gross salary for each employee. This type of chart is a great choice when you want to compare values side by side in a clear and visual way. Take a moment to look at the result. Each column represents one employee, and the height of the column shows that employee's gross salary. Taller columns mean higher salary amounts, so it becomes very easy to compare multiple employees at a glance. If you want to modify the chart, there are a few simple ways to do it. You can use a different salary column instead of gross salary by replacing the E column selection with another salary related column, such as basic salary or net salary. You can also add more employees by entering new records below the current list, then updating the chart's data range so those new rows are included. And if you want a different visual style, you can switch from a clustered column chart to a bar, line, or pie chart depending on how you want to present the information, and that's it.